Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about isothermal process. We'll see its definition. हम उसके examples देखेंगे. Then we'll plot isothermal process on PV and TS diagram. After that we'll try to drive the relations of work, heat, internal energy, change in entropy, change in enthalpy of isothermal process. So isothermal process क्या है? Actually when you have temperature, the property of temperature is same throughout the process, then it is called as isothermal process. Suppose अगर आपका एक process है, उसका initial temperature 27 है and after completion of that process आपका temperature again 27 degrees है, then you can say that कि आपका जो process है वो isothermal process है. For example, melting of ice at 0 degree Celsius. ये जो एग्जाम्पल है, दिस इज़ नॉट एक्चुअली आइडियल गैस प्रोसेस, दिस इज़ अ रियल प्रोसेस जो आपको समझने के लिए यहाँ पर लिया गया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका आइस है विच इज़ एट 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड वो कन्वर्ट हो रहा है वाटर में एट सेम टेम्परेचर. ओके, यू हैव आइस एट 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड यू हैव वाटर एट 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस. Similarly, when you are boiling the water at 100 degrees, so water आपका वेपर में कन्वर्ट होगा, so 100 डिग्री वाटर कन्वर्ट होगा 100 डिग्री वेपर में, so it is called as isothermal process. Now if you plot isothermal process on PV diagram, ये आपको एक कर्व के जैसा दिखता है. ओके, प्रोसेस 1 to 2, आपका प्रेशर भी चेंज हो रहा है एंड आपका वॉल्यूम भी चेंज हो रहा है. So if you plot it on isothermal, if you plot this isothermal process on PV diagram, it look like a curve as shown in the figure. Then अगर आप इसको TS डायग्राम पे टेम्परेचर एंट्रोपी प्लॉट पे आप इसको अगर प्लॉट करेंगे, सो ये आपका कुछ इस तरह दिखेगा. इट इज़ अ हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू योर एंट्रोपी एक्सिस. ओके, सो वी हैव प्लॉटेड ऑन PV डायग्राम, वी हैव ऑल्सो प्लॉटेड ऑन TS डायग्राम. नाउ we'll see its property relations, how to derive property relation in case of isothermal process. Now we know that from ideal gas equation PV by T is equal to C, okay, or your pressure, volume upon temperature is constant. So if you take this on in state 1, PV by P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. Now we know that in case of isothermal process temperature आपका सेम रहता है, so T1 is equal to T2. So these two terms will cancel out. So the final equation will become as P1 V1 by P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2, or you can also write this as PV is equal to constant. Okay, the product of pressure, this pressure and volume is constant. Now this is your property relation, these two are your property relation, this one and this two. Now work done. We know that in case of any closed system process, in case of any closed system, closed process, the work done non-flow process, work done is given by W1 to 2 integration 1 to 2 P dV. This is for any non-flow process, the work done is given by non-flow process. Now we have the value of P from this equation is integration 1 to 2 C by V dV is equal to, this C is constant, so you can take this outside the integration sign, 1 to 2 dV by V. So C, this integration of dV by V is log to the base E into V 1 to 2. When you put these limits, you will have C log to the base E V2 minus log to the base E V1. अब यहाँ पर ये जो log की प्रॉपर्टीज़ है, दिस from the logarithmic properties you will have log to the base e v2 by v1. Now from this equation you can either put, यहाँ पर जो c की वैल्यू है आप यहाँ से रख सकते हैं, इधर p1 v1 रख सकते हैं, इधर p2 v2 रख सकते हैं. सो हम यहाँ पर p1 v1 वैल्यू रखेंगे, p1 v1 log to the base e v2 by v1. So this is your another formula for work done. So we have derived property relation, then we have derived work done. Next thing is change in internal energy. From the definition we will have change in internal energy is equal to du integration 1 to 2. Then यहाँ पर हमको पता है इसका relation, it is your specific heat at constant pressure into temperature. Then this Cv is constant, so you can take this at outside the integration sign dt. So integration of dt is t, so Cv t, limits 1 to 2. When you put these limits you will have Cv t2 minus t1. But we know that कि जो आपका आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस है उसमें T1 and T2 are same, so this will become 0. Similarly, this delta H, change in enthalpy of the system, integration 1 to 2 dH, this is your, from the definition, it is specific heat at constant pressure into temperature delta T, so Cp dt. Again you will solve this, you will have the value is 0 because the temperature difference are same, there is no temperature difference, T1 and T2 are same, so this will become 0. So change in internal energy and change in enthalpy in case of isothermal process is 0. Now next thing is heat transfer. From first law of thermodynamics we'll have first law of thermodynamics, you will have Q1 to 2 minus W1 to 2 is equal to delta U. बट हमने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले डेल्टा U को ड्राइव किया है विच इज इक्वल टू 0. सो दिस Q1 to 2 is equal to W1 to 2 because this delta U is 0 and W1 to 2 that we have already derived it, it's P1 V1 log to the base E V2 by V1. Now हमने आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन देखा है. इन अनदर फॉर्म आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन इज कैन बी रिटन एज P1 V1 is equal to mR T1. Okay, because R is constant, mass is also constant, mass is not going to change in this process, so we'll have, if you put this P1 V1, यहाँ पर P1 V1 की जगह अगर आप mR T1 पुट करते हैं तो you will have Q1 to 2 is equal to mR T1 log to the base E V2 by V1. So this is another formula, another form. This is also one form and this is also another form. Q is equal to mR T1 log to the base E V2 by V1. Now change in entropy of the system. We know that the change in entropy is given by delta S, which is equal to integration 1 to 2 del Q by T. Now this T is constant, so you can take this outside the integration sign, 1 to 2 del Q. When you solve this, you will have 1 to 2 Q 1 to 2, or you can say the heat transfer for process 1 to 2. So we can write down this as Q 1 to 2. हमने थोड़ी देर पहले Q1 to 2 को ड्राइव किया है, which is equal to mR T1 log to the base E V2 by V1 divided by T. Now this T, this temperature and this T1 are same because the temperature is not going to change. अगर आप इसको 1 रखते हैं तो ये 1 और 1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. अगर आप इसको 2 रखते हैं तो दिस विल ऑल्सो कैंसल आउट. So we'll put it as 1. So this and this will cancel out, so you will have only mr log to the base e V2 by V1. So this is your delta S, another formula. So we have derived all the properties, property relationship, then heat transfer, work transfer, change in entropy, change in internal energy and change in enthalpy. We have also seen the definition of isothermal process, हमने उसके example भी देखे. Then we have also plotted on PV and TS diagram.